Welcome back to Drive Royale, the place where power meets precision and the road bows to engineering excellence. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe because today we're diving into one of the most unbelievable machines ever built. This is something no one expected, something that turns the entire pickup world upside down. Say hello to the 2026 Caterpillar. Pickup, the first ever consumer-focused truck from the legendary industrial giant Caterpillar. If you think you've seen heavy-duty vehicles before, think again. Caterpillar has spent decades dominating construction sites, mining operations in the most brutal environments on Earth. The 2026 marks a new era because they've taken that same unstoppable DNA and poured it straight into a scream legal pickup truck that looks like it was born on a battlefield and engineered for a new kind of adventure. Just look at this machine. The 2026 Caterpillar pickup stands taller, wider, and meaner than almost anything in the consumer market. The design is unmistakably Caterpillar. A massive grille with brush-wheel grade mesh, signature yellow and black accents, reinforced steel front bumpers, exposed tow hooks that look like they came off a bulldozer, and thick composite fenders built to take leaps without flinching. The headlights are ultra-narrow laser projectors tucked deep inside armored housings, giving the truck an intimidating stare that makes everything in front of it move out of the way. But the real magic happens under the hood. Caterpillar didn't settle for a typical consumer engine. Instead, they engineered a downsized version of one of industrial power units. The result is a 6.8-liter Cat diesel with high-rig power brag delivering 720 horsepower and an unbelievable 600 Nm of torque. This truck doesn't accelerate, it surges forward with the kind of authority you'd expect from a machine designed to haul mountains. And with the hybrid system working alongside the diesel, you get instant torque at any speed, whether you're towing heavy loads or climbing rocky terrain. Speaking of towing, the 2026 Caterpillar pickup has shattered expectations with a maximum towing tenacity of over 20 tons and a payload rating of merely 4 tons. It leaves even the biggest consumer trucks in the dust. This isn't a pickup for grocery store runs. This is a pickup for people who want to rush real power in everyday life. Caterpillar also brought its suspension expertise to the table. The truck features a fully adaptive, heavy-duty hydraulic suspension system inspired by Cat Earth movers. It automatically adjusts ride height, stiffness, and damping depending on load and terrain. Whether you're speeding down the highway, crawling over boulders, or hauling equipment across a muddy work site, the truck stays balanced, level, and shockingly smooth. It feels like you're riding a tank that learned how to glide. Inside, the Caterpillar pickup is a mix of rugged durability and premium comfort. The cabin uses industrial-grade materials engineered to withstand dust, mud, and heavy use. Everything is finished with a modern luxury touch. You get large digital screens with Caterpillar's WorkSense system, a UI inspired by their heavy machinery controls, but redesigned for daily driving. Their high thermal-resistant seats, multi-zone climate control, and reinforced rubberized flooring that's easy to clean after rough work days. And yes, you also get a full suite of smart connectivity, including satellite mapping, off-road terrain recognition, and real-time torque distribution monitoring. One of the truck's standout innovations is its dual-mode drive system. You can switch between road mode, which optimizes fuel efficiency, reduces engine noise, and work mode, which unleashes the full industrial strength of the Cat powertrain. In work mode, the truck practically transforms, adjusting motor to sports, torque delivery, and suspension behavior to tackle extreme terrains. It's the closest thing to driving a construction machine on public roads, fully legal, fully controlled, and fully Caterpillar. And if you thought the exterior looked aggressive, Wait, when you see the special cat terrain vision system, this uses a network of high-definition cameras and LIDAR sensors to scan the environment at better eye obstacles, measure terrain angles, and project real-time data onto the windshield! It feels like you're piloting a futuristic machine built to conquer the planet. Caterpillar didn't ignore safety either, with reinforced safety cages and frequent strict crash structures and high-end driver assistance systems. This truck is built to protect its occupants in any circumstance. Its engineered to construction sites, dangerous terrains, and everything in between. Which waits what he says. Caterpillar pickup is not just a vehicle, it's a statement that heavy-duty power and everyday U.S. ability can exist in the same machine, a statement that Caterpillar is ready to shake up the whole world.
Introduce a new category of off-road dominance. This is what happens when the kings of machinery decide to build a truck for the road. You get something beyond the limits of what anyone thought possible. So what do you think? Would you drive the 2026 Caterpillar pickup? Do you want this monster in your garage? Or do you think it's too extreme? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Drive Royale. Make sure to subscribe, like,